Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, have you ever heard of VRWave? VRWave apparently is a popular company online that makes prescription lenses for goggles. More importantly, I think they're very popular in the line of Oculus goggles, you know, for VR headsets when you're playing games, because on their website they really promote it, and I think that's what's made them popular. And they've become so popular that they are now into HTC VR goggles and a few other ones, as well as the DJI FPV Goggles. So they contacted me and said, hey, would you like to try out our lenses inside your DJI FPV goggles, because we see you always wear glasses and you put the goggles over your glasses and you always complain. Well, this is true. So I have a prescription, just like many of you out there, for my eyesight, and because of that I can only wear certain goggles that fit over top of my glasses. If I take these off, everything is a massive blur inside, and that applies to other goggles as well. So my Fat Shark goggles, I have prescription lenses in those, and these ones I do not. So they were kind enough and they said, we're going to send you some, just send us your prescription, try them out. If you like them, we would appreciate it if you made a video. So that's what I'm doing now, because I have tried them out and I love them. It's like night and day, and I'm making a video to tell all of you about it. And they even gave me a discount code, which I'll tell you at the end of this video in case you want to order them yourself. So to get your own lenses, you just go to their website. I'm going to have a link to it below. You enter your prescription. Mine's right here on the back of this card that they sent me. They actually wrote my prescription down. And then after you enter your prescription for each eye, then a price shows up. Now mine were sent to me for free, so I have no idea what the price is, but I went online and I entered my prescription and I saw the price. The price was $100 US, but that's because they sent me blue light filter coating on the lenses as well as anti-glare coating. They added them, so that increased the price and it came up to $100. Now, as I mentioned, yours could be less or more, and there is a discount code below this video. But before I get to that, let me show you what they sent me and how I installed the lenses inside my DJI FPV goggles. Check this out. Now, after you place your order on the website for your VRWave lenses, well, then you're going to receive a box in the mail, and inside that box you'll get this pouch, and inside the pouch you have your lenses. Take note on the lenses that one side says VRWave and on the other side it says left or right. Very important for when you put them inside your DJI goggles. Other items in the box will be this little package here, and if I empty it out, you're going to see you get a microfiber cleaning cloth. You also get a neat little card that has your prescription on it, just in case there was an error in any of the prescription. Your order should be right there. Plus you get a couple of lens cleaning wipes, and you also get this cardboard card that has a QR code on it that takes you to a video that shows you how to install your lenses in your goggles. Ignore that because I'm showing you right here how to do it. It's really simple. Just push the lens into each eyepiece. You have your left on one side, right on the other side, and your lenses and all the functions still operate. You can move them in and out as you see here. So final thoughts from me are, the lenses make my life so much better because it's night and day. I know a lot of you are probably sitting there flying with glasses on, with goggles over top, and thinking they're fine. But guess what? Let me just tell you this from my point of view. My glasses are progressive lenses. That means the very top of the lens, there's very little prescription. But as it goes down, there's a lot of prescription because, you know, I can't see anything close up. I'm farsighted. So when I wear the goggles, I can never see the writing at the bottom, all the details, without squinting or pushing my glasses down or doing something like that. But now, with just the lenses in there and no glasses, it's perfect. I see everything like a person who doesn't wear glasses. It's really, really good. So I do recommend these lenses, and yes, they did send them to me for free, so I'm very appreciative of that. And yeah, links are below. Check it out, and there is a discount code there. And if you have questions on these lenses, just post them below and I'll get back to you. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.